are very one-on-one with our students. We are very hands-on with the things that we teach here. It builds more confidence on our students.
So what I like about my instructors is that they're really hands-on with their students. They're really committed to trying to help you to learn.
I like the hands-on experience. I like being able to draw blood and basically do the stuff that, you see on TV.
My favorite thing is they really get you out of your comfort zone. They teach you how to do a lot of things that you never knew before, and they make you understand it very well.
So some of the main skills that we teach here at San Joaquin Valley College are vital signs, blood pressure, temperature checks, pulse checks, respiration. We do injections, we do blood draws, we do glucose checks, which is sugar checks for diabetes.
It was really hands-on. I felt like I learned a lot.
Going back to school, it's given me a goal, basically. It's empowered me to keep going, not settle with what I do have right now, but to want more.
I was pretty nervous, but I really like it. I'm very passionate and excited.
If this is something that you want to do and you look at it and you think this can change my life, then go for it.